If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heartbeat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer.
What's going on, guys? I am installing the 2.5-inch TruBendz bolt-on exhaust system with MagnaFlow from TruBendz on my 2012 Chevy Cruze LT 1.4 turbo. So, all right, let's get this done. It is so windy out here and I need to get this done, so let's just do it. So after you're done jacking up your Chevy Cruze, you're gonna have to go under here and loosen up the little flange to hold the muffler on, the catalytic converter. Alright, wasn't too difficult. I did spray it with some breakaway. Let's get out from underneath the car. It's always nice knowing that this car could kill you at any moment. Oh yeah, I should probably mention, don't do this yourself because you'll die.
Hey yo, Mr. White. Found some sketchy boxes we can set the muffler on.
So as far as I can tell, there's just these two bolts, these two nuts on the flange bolts, and then two hangers, and that's the only thing supporting the exhaust system, so that's easy enough. Alright, so since there were no installation instructions like anywhere on the internet, there's no freaking videos about how to do it, I was able to download a Borla Performance Industries, their exhaust installation, because freaking TruBendz doesn't give it to you. So anyway, I'm kind of just going off of this. It says loosen and remove two flange nuts. I just did that. Muffler pipe must be cut to remove OE exhaust system using a metal cutting blade saw, blah, blah, blah. And it has pictures to go along with it. So that was kind of cool. I appreciate that. Thank you, Borla, even though I'm not using your product. So let's start cutting some stuff then. Okay, we got it. We're good. So the Borla Racing Industries or whatever, they tell you to cut it right here in the middle, but I was considering cutting it farther up to make the resonator easier to take out, but I'm gonna do it like they say, because if I do need to put the OEM, the stock exhaust back on, I can just clamp it with some whatever exhaust tape and whatnot. So I think that's a better option. And plus, they're the professionals, am I right? That'll do it. Just like that. Next on the list, number 3, remove Watts link cross brace bolts. 2 of those. See figure 3. There's figure 3 for you. So we need to remove this bolt right here, and also on the other side, this is the Watts link. It's just a brace for your car, and there's one right on the other side. Then we have to take this little bar, it will come down by itself. So that we can remove the resonator out of there, and that's literally all you need to do to take off the exhaust system. Here's a, I know it's super hard to see, but there's a hanger right there on that pipe, and then there's one hanger right there for the resonator, and one more on that side for the resonator, and that's it. And then you can just bolt your new system on, and that's good to go. So let's just do this. Do some parkour to the other side. Okay, that's a big ass bolt. Please work. Okay, so that's how you'll want to do it. Okay, so that should do it. Let's get this thing out of here, eh? I hope this isn't too heavy. Let's try getting this one out first, huh? Success! Yes! It is done! How the F? The F you get this one out? Maybe you just have to lift weights like me! Yes! Screw you! Old exhaust system. We got the muffler, resonator, and tip, and new exhaust system. Got the MagnaFlow muffler on it, down to a flange, and then we got the exhaust tip So I'm not going to go over every little step with you, but this is pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of hook everything up just the way it was before, and you're set. Do these even fit? Frickin' seriously. Kindly included by TruBendz are the wrong size bolts. Thanks, TruBendz. Now I can't go anywhere. Thanks, TruBendz. Sent me 14mm bolts instead of 12mm bolts, which is the original size, so they don't go in the hole. Good going, TruBendz. PO'd, dude. PO'd. Pissed off is what that means. Thanks, TruBendz. Cool. Thanks. Alright, so the smoke is just from the aluminized inside. That's normal. It's going to go back to normal once it reaches peak temperature.